Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, you're looking at our 60-inch combination cocktail station. Okay, this is an all stainless steel unit certified by the health department. You can see certifications are located on the front. Now, as you may notice that these units have some white located on the units. It's just a protective peel-off sticker. You can go ahead and take that off once you receive the unit, just to make sure that these don't get scratched up during shipment. Okay, so we have a combination of 3 stations here. First one is a bar drain board. Okay, so this is pretty much where you can place your glassware for drying. Second, over here we got an ice bin with bottle holders. Okay, we got the liquor racks display on the front. Okay, and the last compartment over here is a blender station with sink. Okay, so it is made up of 3 different stations, 3 different sections, all combined in one. Okay, also you may notice that this unit over here is a little bit higher than these other 2. It's just a matter of you adjusting those legs. These legs are adjustable, so you can go ahead and level them all the same way. Now, measurements for this station, you're looking at a length of 60 inches. Okay, for your depth, you're looking at 29 inches, and your overall height is going to be 33 inches high. Okay, so this is a combination cocktail station. If you're interested in one of these combinations, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding this station, including the price for this combination. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.